Welcome to AVAMIGRATRON. In this video, let's get to know the process of seamlessly connecting your Slack and Teams workspace to AVAMIGRATRON for an efficient migration process. Effortlessly connect your Slack and Teams environments to AVAMIGRATRON and initiate your Slack to Teams migration seamlessly. Start by clicking on the Settings tab on AVAMIGRATRON menu bar and choose Slack to proceed. To connect your Slack workspace, refer to our comprehensive Slack app configuration guide to fetch all the app details. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided and enter the necessary details, including your workspace, URL, email ID of the primary or workspace owner, client ID, client secret ID, app token. Then click on the Connect Slack button. Once Slack workspace is connected, you can continue to proceed with connecting to MS Teams. To connect your Teams workspace, refer to our comprehensive Azure App Configuration Guide to fetch all the app details. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided and enter the necessary details, including your tenant name, email ID, Azure App ID, and Azure App Secret ID. The email ID you enter should be either a global administrator or Teams and SharePoint administrator, while the other details can be entered by referring to our guide. Then click the Connect MS Teams button to connect. Once your Teams workspace is successfully connected, you can proceed with the inventory assessment process. And there you go. Connecting your Slack and Teams environment to AVAMIGRATRON is now simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.